Hello friends, greetings from Maldives and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I managed to design and generate Gcodes for CNC machining through free softwares. I use Corel Draw to design and export those artworks to SVG format. As you can see here, once we have the SVG, I use Laser GRBL to obtain Gcodes. Just open the SVG file and quick save your project as Gcodes onto a notepad.txt file. Here we go. But as Laser GRBL is designed to handle lasers, if I'm required to cut several pieces like this one, we need to cut the inner portion first and then the outer main frame at the very last stage of the work. For that, we need to edit our Gcodes. I use the Gcode simulator from the internet, and you copy your Gcodes and just paste it here and simulate, and you will find how your tool will behave, or let's say in CNC terms, the tool path. Now, just by highlighting these Gcodes, you'll be able to determine the outer layer or the inner part. So what I'm doing here is now I'm separating the outer main frame from the inner part, and once you recheck the tool paths and you're ready to go, just once it's done, now you can copy these codes and you go back to something like I use Microsoft Excel for this, because there are some changes that you need to bring to, like the S commands, which we have to swap or convert to Z-axis movements. For that, just hit Control F and change the text you want from let's say from S0 would be in our case it should be Z0. So just find it and replace it with the help of the find tool on Microsoft Excel. And once done, in my case I use M4 as spindle on, so I have to change that one also, M3 as spindle off. So once you are ready with the Gcodes, then you can save your Gcodes into a text format and head back to the CNC machine. And that's it. Thank you for watching.